Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to pay GST taxes and when you have to pay them on Amazon seller. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Amazon seller website right here, sellercentral.amazon.com if you have not already. After you have opened up this official website, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. So first thing what we want to do is to log into our account here in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, you can get started signing up for one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main page that's going to look like something like this, from where we can get started managing everything regarding our seller account. We have the catalog, we have our history option, our order section, and so on. And now we can get started with GST. So basically guys, what is GST? Here we have a question on the official Seller Central of Amazon asking how does GST work in Amazon. So somebody here is asking when they have to pay GST, the supplier, and how do they adjust that for their prices. So basically guys, as you can see, Amazon does not submit GST. This is your responsibility, and Amazon does not deduct GST in invoice, and it passes on the amount to you. So Amazon has nothing to do with your GST on sales and your GST returns. So if you want to know how to file your GST, you're going to have to find official documents for GST in your country, and Amazon will only deduct GST and charges your GST at about 18% on charges depositing it, and then you can avail the same as input. Basically, you will have to go ahead and input the GST for yourself and the taxes when sending the invoices, because it's different from country to country. So you want to make sure that if you're in India, you're making these taxes by yourself and not expecting Amazon to include them into your invoice. So basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.